put down that doggone TikTok and stop scrolling. Put down Instagram. Put down Facebook. You don't need it. You got things to do and people to see. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and I know you clicked on this video because you want to know how I've overcome procrastination. Now, it's still a work in progress, but for the most part, I've overcome it. Beat yourself up, like really sit down and be like, I could have started my channel. I could have gotten that task done. I could have done the dishes. I could have did the laundry. I could have did this. And then by the end of the night, you're beating yourself up because you didn't do it. Because you thought about doing it, but you didn't do it. You envisioned yourself doing it, but you didn't do it. And that's always me. I could have been so much further along in my content creation career or, my passion if I would have just done it. Person that when an assignment was due, I would wait until the very last minute. When a paper was due, I would wait until the very last minute. Granted, I did think quick on my feet, as Bernie Mac would say, got to be quick on your feet. You know what I'm saying? But it came with so much anxiety. It came with so much like, ooh, I need to get this done. What if I don't get this done by, at that time I was in college or university, and I'm like, what if I don't get this done by midnight? Like, what's gonna happen? Like, I'm gonna fail this particular assignment because I didn't do what I was supposed to do. I also didn't like going inside the classroom, to be honest, because I get bored very easily, Aquarius things. So I opted to go to school online. And so I went and got my associates, I got my bachelor's, and I got my master's. And I will say I will wait till the last minute on everything, on every assignment, and get rave reviews on paperwork, but that still doesn't make it any less great that I did it that way. You know what I'm saying? I could have gotten things done, could have researched more, could have not been up till wee hours of the morning trying to get things done, or not going to sleep on time. It was very special, and I did it to myself, to be honest. I I could have gotten it done, just did it when I thought about it, when in that moment, instead of thinking about doing it and be like, oh no, I got time. Oh no, let me just finish scrolling. Oh no, let me finish doing everything this way. Let me do it that way, and you could have just done it. Thing that I beat myself up for is I started content creating long before it was something big to do, long before when the Jaclyn Hills and the Jackie Ainas and that sort of thing started. I was starting then, but I was so afraid to post it. Like, fear of failure is crazy. And you want to know what's ironic? My favorite quote is my favorite saying is by Miriam Wilson or Williamson, I believe it is. And it's like, our greatest fear is that we're not inadequate. Our greatest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. So it's like, what if I fail? And that's all I kept saying. What if it doesn't work out? What is it? And that was not a way to live. To be honest, I think I still have those videos up because I want to see how far I've come. Now, I've been more consistent lately. I've been posting every week. I've been really envisioning how I want my content to look. I love makeup, so beauty content, but also I love inspiring people. I love self-care. I love helping people on their self-care journey. So what I've been doing is making sure I have a time schedule, making sure I know, hey, this is what I'm going to do on this day, and I have somebody who holds me accountable for me to do it. Secret ingredient, one simple way that I have overcome procrastinating is drumroll It's basically when I think about doing it, I do it. No need to think of ways, talk myself out, overthink. My thing is when I think about doing it, I do it. That way, I'm not beating myself up later. Oh, I should have done this. I should have completed that, or, anything of that nature. And how you're overcoming procrastination is getting over your fear of failure, because there's no failure in you. You just found a way, a failure of a way, not a failure of you in person, of yourself. So I would say get over that fear of thinking things won't work out, thinking that, oh, I will never be this, I will never be that. Get up and just do it. Like Nike say, get up and just do it, because you will feel so much better. You'll get the things done that you need to get done. You'll achieve the goals that you need to achieve, because then you become consistent in whatever you're doing. How I've overcome is just by getting up to do it. And it has been the greatest pleasure for me, because now I'm seeing consistency. Just doing it and building a routine, it just builds up consistency, if that makes sense. I have now posted 3 weeks in a row when I used to take months, sometimes half of a year, sometimes a year to post. And that's now a moot point for me. I got up one day and I just said, babe, I know we're going to be millionaires. I know we're going to have a life that we deserve and that we're grateful for. Like, we're grateful now. We're grateful for everything that we have. But in order for us to achieve the goals that we need to achieve, we have to put in the work. Faith without works is dead. And if you don't put in the work because you're procrastinating, how are you going to feel? Let me know in the comments how you feel about your life and if you're procrastinating, and I hope this can help you in a way. I hope you take this simple way. Just get up and do it. When you get the thought in your head, just get up and do it. And let me know if that works for you in the comments. I will say it will not be easy, but it will be worth it, because you will see progress and you will see a task done off your task list. You'll be so happy and so proud of yourself that you'll want to continue to do so. And it just makes me so happy to see that I've posted 3 weeks in a row now, and I'm just so proud of myself. I was like, okay, I got to do this, I got to do that, I got to, and I just do it. And it's the greatest thing. Now, I'm just happy. And this is the final look. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And with that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out. Peace.